think about pizza a lot these days. I realize this is a curious way to open an appliance delivery nightmare video, but pizza is delicious. My daughter loves it, and it's one less meal I have to plan. You can have a pizza within 30 minutes. It's made, boxed, and then delivered within that narrow time frame. Appliances are sitting in a warehouse. They're already pre-made, yet you have to pay for a 4-hour delivery window from most appliance stores, and time is only one expense. You'll find all sorts of hidden fees after the delivery. You have the most leverage to negotiate your delivery at the time of sale, not when the delivery is happening. In the end, you'll learn the one delivery issue that can destroy your home and how to proactively prevent that from happening. Almost every appliance company has a problem with timely deliveries, including us. Some companies charge for a 4-hour window. 20 years ago when I was service manager, I let people pick the time. We had 20 first stops at 8 a.m. and 20 last stops at 4 p.m. with nothing in between. Overall, what you and I want is for you to be here when our delivery truck is just arriving. You aren't wasting time and you're still home, which is crucial for us. The good news is software has advanced considerably over the last 20 years. It's been made popular by Uber and Lyft. Here's what a modern delivery should look like. Night before, you receive a text with a 2-hour window for delivery. It's not ideal because you can't pick the time, but it's better than most other companies' whole day or half day windows. You can track the truck within 30 minutes to your home. You can request a call when the drivers are 10 to 15 minutes away. So instead of wasting 4 hours, you're waiting for 30 minutes, tops, a 3-hour and 30-minute time savings. Many companies have this type of delivery experience. You can shop for it or look on their websites to track the truck. Another common issue is unforeseen yet increasingly common extra fees charged at delivery. Free delivery is great, but most of the time it's a drop-off at your curb. That's okay for a smaller package or a dishwasher. However, it would help to ask the right questions at the sale, not when the driver's at the door. Home Depot, for example, advertises free delivery. But the following is what it doesn't include. Delivering upstairs. Any delivery over a flight seems to be a charge. How much depends on the vendor. We charge after a 4th floor walk-up because of the extra time. However, that really only applies to brownstones in Boston. You must negotiate stairs at the time of sale. But the added price is $60 extra for 3 staircases if the company does indeed climb stairs. How much does each removal of the old appliance cost? The going rate is $20 to $40 per unit. Removal or packaging is often a separate charge as well. You probably want the appliance to work when the delivery is finished. You'll pay extra for gas appliances in the state of Massachusetts. Built-in wall ovens, cooktops, and dishwashers require more skilled labor. However, basic installation is almost always an extra charge, even for electric ranges, dryers, and washers. You need to get that free installation signed for by the salesperson and the manager. What you need to know is the delivery price to your home, including connection and removal. We charge $129 for delivery, but that includes delivery inside your home, basic installation, removal of all your old appliances, and packaging. Now the really bad stuff. If you remember only one piece of advice from this video, it should be this. Never sign for anything without inspecting the items thoroughly first. Most companies will not allow you to place a damage claim after the fact. Not just damage either, but wrong products delivered that you install. Whatever you do, take the time inspecting your appliances on delivery. Don't feel rushed or hassled into signing for them. Don't leave it in your garage boxed either. Always unpack and inspect any delivery, whether it's appliances, furniture, or home accessories. Damage is almost inevitable, especially now. Depending on the store, damage happens 3 to 9% of the time or more. With the shortage of skilled labor, damage has become an even larger problem to the appliance, and especially deliveries into your home. Walls and especially floors are vulnerable to larger appliances too. In case damage happens to your appliance or your home upon arrival, often the store will give you a discount for keeping a damaged appliance. But you want to make sure you take pictures and document the damage. Then have the delivery guy sign their delivery form verifying the damage. Call the store while your delivery team is still there. You need as much documentation as possible, especially with property damage. Many companies will lowball estimates, so you'll have the added burden of providing a real contractor's estimate. If you do not verify that damage, you'll have to go through your homeowner's insurance. A bad enough problem will certainly increase or even cancel your insurance. Damage is a big problem, but there is a type of damage that may cause lasting consequences for your home: water damage. Consider this nightmare scenario. You install a dishwasher in your vacation home on the Cape. Shortly after that, you close the house for the season. However, that slow leak is a ticking time bomb in your home. When you open your home in April, it won't be pretty. You'll lose the season in your home and probably your mind fighting insurance companies for the next 18 months. We use leak detection paper in every installation with water. If the paper is dry within 24 hours, you can throw it away. If not, call us and it's fixed before it becomes an issue. You have to do the same. Just cut some brown sheen, non-absorbent paper, place it under the dishwasher, refrigerator, or washer. We'll save a ton of time, money, and future sanity. Scared? Don't be. Ask the right questions beforehand, especially how much a delivery will cost with stairs, including installation removal. Your time is probably worth more than $120 to $200 in added fees. More importantly, take your time inspecting any delivered appliance or home delivery like furniture or cabinets. Document any problems at the time of delivery. Wasting a whole day, delivery damage, and installation issues are often more costly than a good delivery with a fee. Click the link to download our free delivery checklist. Unfortunately, we all know someone who has had an appliance delivery nightmare. Don't let that happen to you. Thanks for watching.